Hello children, welcome back to social class. Today we are going to see a new chapter 15, The Revolt of 1857. Children, in early times, India was a rich country. Children, India was a rich country. It was known for its jewelry, spices, silk, pearls and other things. Children, India was very rich in ancient times. From very early times, India was famous for her spices, pearls, gold and silk. Children, the Greeks, the Romans, the Arabs and many others came to India to carry on trade. Children, do you know India's wealth and goods like spices, silk, cotton, pearls and gold attract many European traders. Children, in 1498, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, found a sea route to India from Europe. Children, who discovered sea route to India? Yes, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, discovered sea route to India. Children, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, was the first to discover the sea route to India via the Cape of Good Hope, the southernmost point of Africa in AD 1498. Children, he landed at Calicut in Kerala in search of spices and the famous cotton cloth and started trading from there. Children, the Portuguese were the first to come to Calicut and start trading with India. They built trade center at Cochin, now Kochi, and Calicut. Children, spices were the most important items of trade that the Portuguese dealt in. So, he landed at Calicut on the western coast of Kerala. Children, this opened the doors for the Portuguese settlers and traders and they started trading with India. Children, gradually the Portuguese took control of the west coast by setting up trading centers at Kochi, Kannur and Calicut. These trading centers were called companies. Children, these companies brought Indian spices, cotton, textile and other material which were sold at higher prices in Europe and America. Children, the Portuguese started trading with India. Later the Dutch, the British and the French followed. They fought with each other for a bigger share of trade. The British emerged the strongest. Children, the Dutch, the French and the English followed the Portuguese and established trade centers in India. To control trade in India and earn more profits, traders soon started fighting among themselves. Children, who discovered sea route to India? Yes, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, discovered sea route to India. Children, entire of the British. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir was the first king to allow the British traders to establish their trading centers in India. The first center was set up in the year 1608 at Surat in Gujarat, followed by others in Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and few cities of Bihar and West Bengal. Children, the East India Companies, the traders organized themselves by setting up companies called the East India Companies. Children, the British East India Company was established in 1600. Children, when was British East India Company established? Yes, the British East India Company was established in 1600. Children, in 1583, Queen Elizabeth I dispatched a ship to the Indian subcontinent to explore the opportunities for trade. After 16 years, the ship sailed to India. The end of the 16th century, other European countries also decided to exploit Indian resources. Children, the East India Company was set up in the year 1600 in London with the permission of the Queen of England to administer the trade in India. They made huge profits. They brought goods at low prices and sold them in other countries at higher rates. Children, the end, the British got victory. In 1600, a British trading concern by the name of English East India Company established its first trading center at Surat. Children, in 1600, a British trading concern by the name of English East India Company established its first trading center at Surat. Then later, with the permission of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, they set up their trading centers at the port cities of Madras, Calcutta and Bombay. Children, the officials of the company bought and sold goods. They had huge godowns at these places to store goods. Children, the Britishers started fortifying these cities and stationed military. See children, East India Company is the one of the trading company. Children, they came for trade in India. Children, what were the companies came to India for trade? Yes, the Dutch, the French and the British came to India. Children, where was the first trading center established by English East India Company? Yes, the English East India Company established its first trading center at Surat. So, English East India Company was the one of the trading companies in India. Children, now we will see about the Battle of Plassey in 1757. Children, at that time, Siraj ud Dowlah was the Nawab of Bengal. He did not like the fact that the British had started fortifying Calcutta. Children, at the time Siraj ud Dowlah was the Nawab of Bengal. Here, Nawab means ruler. So, Siraj ud Dowlah was the ruler of Bengal. He ordered that the British army be disclosed from Bengal, but the British paid no heed to his warnings. Children, Siraj ud Dowlah was a ruler at Bengal. So, that time British came to Bengal. He did not like the fact that the British had started fortifying Calcutta. See children, British வந்து பெங்காலில் நிறைய போர்ட் கட்டணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு வராங்க. பட் அதை வந்து டிஸ்லைக் பண்ணுறாரு யார்? சிராஜ் உத் தௌலா. அவர் விரும்பலை, இங்கே நிறைய போர்ட் கட்டக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்கிறாரு. அதை அவர் சொல்கிறத பிரிட்டிஷ் எதுவுமே ஏற்றுக்கலை. ஸோ அந்த டைமில் தான் பேட்டில் நடக்குது. எங்கே நடக்குது? பிளாஸிங்கிற இடத்துல நடக்குது. Children, Siraj ud Dowlah, being a powerful leader, declared a war against the British. Children, the British led by Robert Clive attacked and put him to death. Children, he was killed by the British. See children, after this battle the British became very powerful in Bengal. Children, 7 years later in 1764, they won another battle, the Battle of Buxar. Finally, Bengal came under the British rule. See children, Bengal came under the British rule. Children, 1757, the Battle of Plassey was fought between the British and Sirajuddaula, the Nawab of Bengal. Children, next we will say about expansion of the British power. Children, the British started to establish their power in other part of India. So, they were not like intruders in India. Children, they wanted to rule the whole of India with the downfall of Mughal Empire in India. Many regional provinces had emerged. Children, the British took advantage of this and using their divide and rule policy, they conquered nearly the whole of India. Children, Lord Dalhousie introduced the policy of the doctrine of lapse to take over various kingdoms. A policy named the doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Children, who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Yes, the doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Children, according to this policy, if a king died without a direct heir, his kingdom would be annexed by the British. For instance, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi was not allowed to declare her adopted child the ruler of Jhansi. Children, due to this policy, many regions of India came under the British rule. So, British practiced the doctrine of lapse whereby the kingdom of local rulers who died without a child was taken over by the British. Slowly, Britishers gained control over the whole of India. So, the kings, the nawabs, the farmers, the traders all were unhappy with the British rule. Children, who were unhappy with the British rule? Yes, the kings, the nawabs, the farmers and the traders. So, there were a number of revolts in various parts of the country from 1816 to 1857. So, these revolts were easily crushed by the British. So, in the year 1857, a major revolt broke out. Children, this is known as the Revolt of 1857 or the First War of Indian Independence. Children, First War of Indian Independence means Mudal Indiya Sudandhira Por. So, the British call it the Sepoy Mutiny. So, Sepoy Mutiny means Sepoy Kalagam. Children, in which year a major revolt broke out? Yes, in 1857 a major revolt broke out. Children, next we will say about circumstances that led to the revolt of 1857. Children, circumstances means that is situations led to the revolt of 1857. Children, see, discontent among farmers over cotton. Children, the East India Company wanted to take as much wealth as possible to their country from India. Children, East India Company wanted to take as wealth as possible to their country from India. Although after the Industrial Revolution, the British had set up large cotton mills in Britain. Yet, they could not grow cotton there due to cold climatic conditions. Children, the Indian farmers to grow cotton and sell it to the Britishers at very low prices. Children, Indians exported the raw cotton to Britain, where they made cotton clothes at mills at a low cost. Children, once the East India Company established their hold over India, they started exploiting the people. India was a source of cheap raw material for their factories in Britain. It also provided a huge market for factory-made goods, which were produced in Britain. Children, Britain sold the cotton clothes to the people back in India at very high prices. So, the Britain people sold the cotton cloth back India very high prices. Children, this way they earned huge profits by exploiting the Indian farmers. Children, the British had set up large cotton mills in Britain because there was good not grown in cotton. Why? Because there has cold climatic conditions. Children, India la adhigama cotton grown agum. So, the British people you collect from India, you get from low price. அதிகமாக கம்மியான விலைக்கு வாங்கிட்டு போயிட்டு அங்கே மிஷின் மூலிமா மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதே ப்ராடக்டை இந்தியாவில் வந்து சேல் பண்ணுவாங்க. சில்ட்ரன், லோ ப்ரைஸ்க்கு காட்டனை பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதே க்ளோத்தை அதே மெட்டீரியலை அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் ஹை ப்ரைஸில் இந்தியாவில் சேல் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ சில்ட்ரன், they sold the cotton clothes to the people back in India at very high prices. Children, next we will see about over indigo. Children, the Indian farmers were forced to grow cash crops like indigo and cotton instead of producing food crops. Children, as a result, the poor farmers grew even poorer and many farmers died of starvation. The Indian traders also suffered because they were not allowed to open factories and mills, and also they were not permitted to trade in things of their choice. Children, the farmers in the Bihar, Bengal region were forced to grow indigo instead of growing food crops, a plant out of which a blue dye used to dye cotton clothes was obtained. Because indigo was cultivated to extract blue dye which was to dye cotton clothes. Children, India were then forced to sell it to the British at a very low price. Children, then the Indian farmers had no use of this crop and they were not being paid well for it. Children, they become very poor. Children, Indian farmers ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணி கேஷ் கிராப்ஸ் லைக் ஃபார் என்னென்ன வளர்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா இண்டிகோ அண்ட் காட்டன் இது மாதிரி தான் அங்கே வளர்க்கணுமே தவிர இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் ப்ரொடியூசிங் ஃபுட் கிராப்ஸை வளர்க்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு ஒன்லி கேஷ் கிராப்ஸ் தான் க்ரோன் ஆகணும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அதனால் கேஸ் கிராப் க்ரோன் ஆனாலும் அவங்க அதுக்கான ரேட்டை கரெக்டாக கொடுக்காதனால இந்தியன் பீப்புள் வந்து என்ன ஆயிடுறாங்க, ரொம்ப புவராக ஆயிடுறாங்க. அவங்க ஃபிக்ஸட் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க, இவ்வளோ தான் ப்ரைஸு, ரொம்ப சீப் அண்ட் பெஸ்ட்டாக அவங்க பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. சில்ட்ரன், அதனால் இந்தியன் பீப்புளுக்கு வந்து அமௌண்ட் அதிகமாக மணி ஏர்ன் பண்ண முடியாதனால ரொம்ப புவராகிடுறாங்க. அதனால் பசி பட்னி இதனால் வறுமையினால் ரொம்ப பாதிக்கப்படுறாங்க இந்தியன் பீப்புள். Children, next we will see discontent among the weavers and traders. The weaving industry suffered a lot under the British rule. The weavers were not allowed to start their own mills or factories. Also, they were not allowed to sell their clothes to any traders other than the British. So, less profit for the weavers. The cheap British like factory made clothes were sold all over India. This affected the life of the Indian artisans and craftsmen who used to weave cloth with hand on looms. They would not compete with the prices of the British mill made cloth. millions of weavers lost their jobs in the process. Children, the factory was cheaper and the good quality compared to the hand woven cloth. It took over Indian markets as well as and the handloom industry of India suffered. Children, gradually the Indian handloom industry was closed down, leaving the weavers helpless. Children, the East India Company also made new laws that helped them to take control of more and more areas in the country. Children, weavers means நெசவு தொழிலாளி. அந்த பீப்புள் எதனால் பாதிக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா, பிரிட்டிஷ் பீப்புள் வந்து அங்கே மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுற ப்ராடக்டை இந்தியாவில் சேல் பண்ணுறாங்க. அவங்க மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுற ப்ராடக்ட் எல்லாமே மிஷின் மூலிமா தான் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அங்கேருந்து வந்து இங்கே சேல் பண்ணும்போது லோ ப்ரைஸுக்கு சேல் பண்ணுறாங்க. லோ ப்ரைஸுங்கும் போது மக்கள் எல்லாமே அதிகமாக அதை தான் வாங்க ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க, பிரிட்டிஷ் ப்ராடக்டை தான். இந்தியன் ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து ஹை ப்ரைஸாக இருக்கனால மக்கள் அதிகம் வாங்காதனால இந்தியன் வீவர்ஸ் வந்து அதிகமாக பாதிக்கிறாங்க. சில்ட்ரன், million of weavers lost their jobs in the process. இந்த ப்ராசஸ் மூலிமா நிறைய பேர் அவங்களோட வேலை இழந்துடுறாங்க. அதனால் மக்கள் ரொம்ப பாதிக்கப்படுறாங்க. சில்ட்ரன், யார் பாதிக்கப்படுறாங்க? இந்தியன் பீப்புள். சில்ட்ரன், next we will see about the beginning of the revolt. The greased cottages incident was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857. The British Army had introduced a new rifle called the Enfield rifle that was supposed to be used by the Indian sepoys or soldiers. Children, all Indians including soldiers, patients, weavers, rulers, tribals and many others were unhappy with the British rule. The Indian rulers who lost their territories on one pretext or the other were ready to fight the British. So, the dissatisfaction against the British finally found expression in the Great Revolt of 1857. Children, before the revolt started, there spread a rumor among the soldiers that the cottages that the soldiers had to bite off to load the rifle were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. Children, the Hindus recorded the cow as sacred and Muslims recorded the pig as unclean. The cover had to be bitten off before using the cottage. This was against the religious sentiments of the Muslims and the Hindus. Children, the Muslims consider pig to be unclean, while the Hindus consider the cow to be the sacred animals. Children, so the rumor angered both the Hindus and the Muslims. The use of greased cottage offended the sentiments of both Hindus and Muslims. Children, so they refused to use the new rifle. Children, the revolt was started by Indian soldiers at Meerut on 10th May 1857. Children, the Indian soldiers refused to use these cottages and revolted against the British. Children, an Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey, attacked a British officer. Children, he was the first sepoy to attack his senior British officers. The Hindus and Muslims united and revolted against the British. Children, different leaders led the revolt in their own areas. Some of the leaders were joined by the other sepoys, farmers and revolutionaries. They declared the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar as the Emperor of India and the leader. Nana Sahib and Dandiya Dobi at the Kanpur, Hazrat Mughal, Alimullah Khan, Nana Sahib Peshwa, these leaders were the revolt in their own areas. Children, they marched to Delhi where Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, was continued to lead the revolt. Children, next we will see failure of the revolt. Children, why the revolt failed? The first war of independence was suffraged by the British. Many factors were responsible for its failure. The revolt was confined to certain places only. Many places were not affected, nor were they aware of the struggle. Children, many Indians supported the British and quite a good number of them remained neutral. Indian soldiers did not have sufficient money and better weapons. Children, Indian soldiers did not have sufficient money and better weapons. On the other hand, the British soldiers were well equipped with money and modern weapons. They were also well organized. Children, British soldiers were well equipped with money and modern weapons. So well organized. So revolt was failure. Children, the British army was more well organized than the Indians. They had better weapons and trained soldiers who managed to crush the revolt. Children, the two sons of Bahadur Shah Zafar were killed while the king himself was captured and kept in Myanmar. This put an end to the Mughal Empire. Children, the revolt of 1857, India's first war of independence, came to a tragic end. Children, next we will see outcome of the revolt of 1857. Children, though the revolt failed, it was a turning point in the history of India. The revolt of 1857 was a major turning point in the history of modern India. Children, the British surprised the revolt with a strong army and modern weapons like rifles. Children, the rule of the English East India Company came to an end. India was placed under the direct control of the British Crown. In 1857, East India Company's rule ended in India and the British government took over the region. In 1877, Queen Victoria took the title of the Empress of India. He was called the Viceroy. Children, Viceroy means the representative of the king or queen in a colony. Children, the outcome of the revolt was that India was placed under the direct control of the British Crown. In addition, the English East India Company was dissolved. Children, the educated Indians realized that the Britishers wanted to keep India poor and backward. Thus, the Indians were united by a feeling of patriotism. They started organizing themselves and made preparations to remove the British Empire. Children, what we learned in this chapter? First one, we learned the English East India Company. Then we learned Battle of Plassey. Then we learned expansion of the British power. Then we learned circumstances that led to the revolt of 1857. Then we learned the beginning of the revolt. Next we learned failure of the revolt. And last one we learned outcome of the revolt of 1857. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about chapter 15, the revolt of 1857, book exercise. Children, first one, fill in the blanks. First question, dash is plant from which blue dye is made? The answer is indigo. Children, indigo is a plant from which blue dye is made? Children, second question, the Battle of Dash was fought between the British Army and Siraj-ud-Dowla, the Nawab of Bengal. Yes, the correct answer is Plassey. Children, the Battle of Plassey was fought between the British Army and Sirajuddaula, the Nawab of Bengal. Children, third question. Dash was a Portuguese sailor who discovered the sea route to India. Yes, the answer is Vasco da Gama. Children, Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese sailor who discovered the sea route to India. Fourth question. Dash was the last Mughal emperor. Children, Dash was the last Mughal emperor. Yes, the answer is Bahadur Shah Zafar. Children, Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor. Children, fifth question. Dash was a policy introduced by the British to annex Indian kingdoms. The answer is Doctrine of Lapse. Children, Doctrine of Lapse was a policy introduced by the British to annex Indian kingdoms. Children, next one. State whether the following statements are true or false. Children, first question. The revolt of 1857 is also known as the Battle of Buxar. Yes, the answer is false. What is the correct statements? Yes, the revolt of 1857 is also known as the Battle of Plassey. Children, second question. The British followed their unity is strength policy to conquer the whole of India. The answer is false. Children, the correct answer is the India followed their unity is strength policy to conquer the whole of India. Third question. The revolt of 1857 was a success that led to the freedom of India. Children, the answer is false. What is the correct answer? Yes, the revolt of 1857 was a failed that led to the freedom of India. Children, fourth question. Vasco da Gama was a British sailor who discovered the sea route to India. The answer is false. Children, what is the correct answer? Yes, Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese sailor who discovered the sea route to India. Children, fifth question. After the revolt of 1857, India was placed under the direct control of the British Crown. Yes, the answer is true. Children, after the revolt of 1857, India was placed under the direct control of the British Crown. Children, next one. Match the following leaders to the places from where they led the revolt. Children, here two columns. One column is question and another one column is answer. First one, Rani Lakshmibai. Yes, the correct answer is option E, Jhansi. Children, Rani Lakshmibai, Jhansi. Children, second question, Dandiya Do. The answer is option D, Kanpur. Dandiya Do. The answer is Kanpur. Second question, Gunwar Singh. The answer is option F, Arak. Fourth question, Nana Sahib. The answer is option B, Kanpur. Children, Nana Sahib. The answer is Kanpur. Children, fifth question, Bahadur Shah Zafar. The answer is option A, Delhi. Children, Bahadur Shah Zafar. The answer is Delhi. Children, sixth question, Begum Hazrat Mahal. The answer is option C, Lucknow. Children, now we are going to discuss about chapter 14, Some People Never Die, worksheet. Children, check your answer in your worksheet. Children, first Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, Socrates was born in Athens, the capital of Dash. Answer is Greece. Children, Socrates was born in Athens, the capital of Greece. Children, second question. On March 14, 1861, Lincoln became the dash of the United States of America. Yes, the correct answer is President. Children, on March 14, 1861, Lincoln became the President of the United States of America. Children, third question. The owners of the dash were called the capitalists. Children, the answer is factories. The owners of the factories were called the capitalists. Fourth question. Gandhiji used a new method for the struggle and named it the dash. The answer is Satyagraha. Children, Gandhiji used a new method for the struggle and named it the Satyagraha. Children, fifth question. Martin Luther King was awarded the Nobel Prize in dash. The answer is 1964. Children, Martin Luther King was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1964. Children, next one, second Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, the cause of the death of Socrates was dash. Option A, hanging. Option B, murder. Option C, hemlock. Option D, a natural death. The answer is option C, hemlock. Children, the cause of the death of Socrates was hemlock. Second question, Abraham Lincoln became the President of USA in dash. Option A, 1851. Option B, 1861. Option C, 1871. Option D, 1881. The answer is option B, 1861. Children, Abraham Lincoln became the President of USA in 1861. Third question, Martin Luther King obtained a doctorate from the dash. Option A, Oxford University. Option B, Delhi University. Option C, London University. Option D, Boston University. Yes, the answer is option D, Boston University. The answer is option D, Boston University. Children, Martin Luther King obtained a doctorate from the Boston University. Children, fourth question. Karl Marx was born in dash. Option A, 1818. Option B, 1828. Option C, 1809. Option D, 1829. The answer is option A, 1818. Children, Karl Marx was born in 1818. Children, fifth question. In 1942, Gandhiji waged the dash. Option A, the non-cooperation movement. Option B, the civil disobedience movement. Option C, SALT movement. Option D, the Quiet India movement. The answer is option D, the Quiet India movement. Children, in 1942, Gandhiji waged the Quiet India movement. Children, third Roman, match the following. First question, the US President. The answer is option D, Abraham Lincoln. Children, the US President. Yes, Abraham Lincoln. Second question, Martin Luther King. Yes, the correct answer is option E, 16th President. Yes, Martin Luther King, 16th President. Third question, the Qadi. The answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Children, the Qadi, Mahatma Gandhi. Fourth question, the Das capital. The answer is option C, Karl Marx. Children, the Das capital, Karl Marx. Children, fifth question, the Black American. Yes, the answer is option A, Martin Luther King. Children, the Black American. Yes, Martin Luther King. Children, next fourth Roman, write true or false. First question, Socrates misguided the people of Greece. The answer is false. What is the correct answer? Socrates guided the people of Greece. Second question, Abraham Lincoln was born in a very poor family. Yes, the answer is true. Abraham Lincoln was born in a very poor family. Third question, Karl Marx was born in a poor family. Children, the answer is false. What is the correct answer? Yes, Karl Marx was born in a very rich family. Children, fourth question, Martin Luther King was inspired by Bhagat Singh. The answer is false. What is the correct answer? Martin Luther King was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. Fifth question, Gandhiji used a new method for the struggle and named it the Satyagraha. The answer is true. Yes, Gandhiji used a new method for the struggle and named it the Satyagraha. Okay, children. Chapter 15, The Revolt of 1857. In this lesson, question answer I will send the through PDF file. This question write in your classwork note. Children, write neatly and clearly. I hope you all understand this lesson clearly. Okay, children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.